Hi guys, and welcome back to 7.11 Solving Number Stories with fractions. This is our second day of this, so let's see if we can make our skills a little stronger. Today you're going to need the worksheets that have questions 1 through 6 on them, as well as any fraction tools you have available to you. Let's start with our math message. Marta has 4 shoeboxes and she puts them all in her closet. The whole is 1 shoebox. What fraction of Marta's shoeboxes are in the closet? Please make sure to draw pictures or use fraction models to help you. Pause the video now to give yourself time to solve. If each box is 1 whole and I draw 4 boxes, then I have 4 holes. Marta puts all of the boxes into her closet. So she put 4 holes into her closet. Remember, a whole as a fraction is 1 over 1. So I can write the number sentence as 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, or 1 whole plus 1 whole plus 1 whole plus 1 whole equals 4 holes. Or I can write the wholes in fraction form and add the numerators, and I have 4 over 1. Let's try another. This time, 3 friends share 6 apples. How many apples does each friend get? What tools can you use to help find the answer? First, we know we can use a picture. So I have my 6 apples listed below. I know that I'm sharing with 3 friends. 1, 2, 3. Each friend is sharing the apple. So 1 for you, 1 for you, 1 for you. Another one for you, another one for you, another one for you. As you can see, each person gets 2 whole apples. See if you can write a fraction number sentence or draw fraction circles to solve this problem another way. Hint: you might want to draw a circle for each apple and break that apple into the number of equal shares for the number of people there are. That would be 3 people. Pause this video now to give yourself time to draw this out using fraction circles and to create a number sentence. Here are all of the fraction circles. 1 fraction circle for each apple, and each one is broken into thirds. So if each person gets 1/3 from each apple, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then each person is getting 6/3 of the apple. A third plus a third plus a third plus a third plus 1/3 plus 1/3 equals 6/3. Or 2 wholes. If I were to put my colors together, you can see that I'm actually filling up 2 holes. Think about if this was on a number line. So now 6/3 is equivalent to 2 holes. Now you try one on your own. Tony has 2 oranges to share equally among 8 friends. What fraction of the oranges will each friend get? Remember to think of fraction circles or other fraction models to help, and the number of equal shares needed. Please pause the video now to give yourself time to solve the problem. Here are some possible solutions that you might have come up with. You might have chosen to draw circles or use fraction circle pieces broken into eighths. Remember, Tony has 2 oranges that he's sharing with 8 friends. So if I take my 2 oranges and break each orange into eighths, then each of those friends can have an eighth from each orange. 1/8 plus 1/8 equals 2/8. Put your thumb up if you got 2/8. Nice work. You could have also done this with fraction rods or a number line. This number line shows 2 holes using eighths as the equal shares. Please complete number 1 through 6 on the worksheets now. Then you can do your exit slip. Good luck!